Wow, look at these beauties. Jersey Royals picked from the field. Lovely and fresh. Now, I was hoping to cook these here, right here. However, the Jersey weather is not with us today. So I'm going to head to the local farm to cook up a wonderful Jersey Royal recipe. Jersey Royals are 145 years old, and they're only grown on this island. Just like your favourite glass of bubbly. Only comes from the Champagne region in France. Cheers! Their light, creamy and nutty flavour makes them ideal for barbecues. You can cook baby Jersey Royals like these on the barbecue. Just fold, season and seal. Some salt, a little bit of rosemary, lemon wedges, drizzle of olive oil. Just fold, seal, pop on the barbie, cook for about 30 minutes, give them a turn now and then. Easy. Perfect with fish or just as they are. Most definitely potato royalty.